Good morning students, this is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, STSTPS, AP Gen Code, Nelator. In this video, we are going to discuss in exercise 7.4 problems related to chapter 7, triangles. Let us start exercise 7.4, fourth question. AB and CD are respectively the smallest and longest sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. Show that angle A is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle D. Solution. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Observe the picture. In ABCD quadrilateral, AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side. In the next step, join A and C. Then we get two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ADC. In triangle ABC, AB is the smallest side. So, BC is greater than AB. That implies angle 1 is greater than angle 2. Since angle opposite to longer side is greater. In triangle ADC, CD is the largest side. Therefore, CD is greater than AD. That implies angle 3 greater than angle 4. It is say equation 2. Since angle opposite to longer side is greater. By adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 3 is greater than angle 2 plus angle 4. That implies if we add angle 1 and angle 3, we get angle A. Greater than if we add angle 2 plus angle 4, we get angle C. Next step, join BD. Then we get two triangles in quadrilateral ABCD, that is triangle ADB and triangle BDC. First we have to observe in triangle ADB. AB is the smallest side. Therefore, AD must be greater than AB. And opposite to AD, angle 5 is there. And opposite to AB, angle 6 is there. Therefore, angle 5 is greater than angle 6. In triangle BCD, CD is the greatest side and BC is the smallest side. So, CD is greater than BC. Observe the picture. CD opposite to angle 7 is there and BC side opposite to angle 8 is there. So, angle 7 is greater than angle 8. Now, we should add angle 5 and angle 7. That is angle 5 plus angle 7 is greater than angle 6 plus angle 8. See the figure. If we add angle 5 plus angle 7, we get angle B. Greater than if we add angle 6 plus angle 8, we get angle D. Hence proved. Next to fifth question. In adjacent figure, PR greater than PQ and PS bisect angle QPR. Prove that angle PSR greater than angle PSQ. Solution. In triangle PQR, PR greater than PQ. It is given in the problem. Observe the picture. PR opposite to angle PQR is there and PQ opposite to angle PRQ is there. So that angle PQR is greater than angle PRQ. It is say equation 1. Since angle opposite to longer side is greater. And angle 1 equal to angle 2. Since PS bisect angle QPR, it is a equation 2. Now we should add equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, angle PQR plus angle 1 is greater than angle PRQ plus angle 2. It is a equation 3. But in triangle PQS, add the all angles, that is angle PQS plus angle 1 plus angle PSQ is equal 180 degree. And observe the second triangle, that is triangle PSR. Add the all angles, that is angle PSR plus angle 2 plus angle PRS, that is equal 180 degree. Since angle sum property of triangle. That implies angle PQR plus angle 1 plus angle PSQ is equal to angle PRQ plus angle 2 plus angle PSR. It is say equation 4. Since angle PRS is equal to angle PRQ and angle PQS is equal to angle PQR. From 3 and 4, we observe that angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ, since from third equation already left side part is more. So angle PSQ must be smaller than angle PSR. Next, sixth question. If two sides of a triangle measure 4 and 6 centimeter, find all possible measurements bracket positive integer of the third side. How many distinct triangles can be obtained? Solution. Given two sides of a triangle are 4 cm and 6 cm. Let ABC is a triangle and AB is equal 4 cm, BC is equal 6 cm. We know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side of a triangle. So AB plus BC must be greater than AC. Substitute AB and BC values. That is 4 plus 6 is greater than AC. Therefore 10 greater than AC. That means the length of the AC must be less than 10. In the second case, the difference of any two sides of a triangle is smaller than the third side of a triangle. So that BC minus AB less than AC. Substitute BC and AB values. 6 minus 4 less than AC. 6 minus 4 means 2 less than AC. That means the length of AC must be greater than 2. So we can draw 7 distinct triangles satisfy the above condition, because the length of AC must be greater than 2 and less than 10. Then what are the possible values of length of AC? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, from 3 to 9, how many numbers are there? That is 7 numbers are there. So we get 7 distinct triangles. Next question in this exercise. Seventh question. Try to construct a triangle with 5 cm, 8 cm and 1 cm. Is it possible or not? Why? Give your justification. Solution. Construction of triangle is not possible with the given measurements 5 cm, 8 cm and 1 cm, because the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. Observe here, 5 plus 8 is greater than 1. That implies 5 plus 8 means 13. 13 greater than 1. It is a true statement. Next, we have to take another two sides. That is 5 plus 1 is greater than 8. 5 plus 1 means 6. 6 greater than 8. It is a false statement. Next, third case, 8 plus 1 greater than 5. 8 plus 1 means 9. 9 greater than 5. It is a true statement. So here we got one case false statement, so that we can't get triangle with the given measurements, because in a triangle the sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. Dear children, today home assignment is copy exercise 7.4 problems in paper 2 book, and we will start new chapter in the next session. Thank you.